Welcome back to Fbmfox. In the last video, we went over how you can connect your Walmart account to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to go over how you can list a single product using our web app and how you can send that single product into Walmart. So it's quite simple to do that. It's very similar to listing on eBay using our web apps. You want to go into your product section, hit the plus icon. And generally, a cross-selling format of eBay to Walmart is great. So I prefer to take a product from eBay and then sell it on to Walmart. We could copy the link of this product and we could just paste it here and then click on pull supplier info. So we would be listing a toaster into our Walmart account. We can set the quantity of our listing. Let's say we want 3 toasters on hand in inventory, and we could set our margin as 45% profit, which gives us a target price of about $36, but let me round that off to $34.99. Next, we can go ahead and check out the description, add a header or footer. I'm just going to leave that as is and move on to the next section. Here are our images. We can go ahead and make changes to those, but I'm going to leave that as is. Next, we have the sales channels, which is probably the most important part. I'm going to go ahead and check the Walmart via API, and that allows a Walmart section to pop up. Once I hit next, there will be a Walmart product category section. So we can select a category that is related to the toaster, right? So most likely it would be like a kitchen appliance, right? Or appliance, but it's not really a large appliance. So we could just say home decor, kitchen, and other. These are categories that are provided by Walmart themselves. Next thing that is mandatory is a SKU. So a SKU can be anything you want. You can just say it's a toaster 2, for example. That's an example of a SKU. You can add a UPC, but generally our software adds the UPC for you. And if it doesn't add it for you, like if it's not visible here, then you can find it online or you can just leave it empty. Our software will do some more digging and attach a UPC to the product, and that's what I'm going to let it be. But generally, this area is already filled out by our software. It just seems to not be able to find the UPC from this listing, and it kind of seems like they don't have a UPC here. So you could go around online digging for the UPC, or when we send the product over to Walmart for final listing, then you'll be okay, and there will be a UPC attached to it. So we can just leave that blank also. You can set a weight, but we can skip that. And the Walmart item ID is also something that you should skip. Next, we have the Walmart category specific. Here we have things like manufacturer name, color, all those sorts of things. Most of these things are just optional that make your listing look better. I'm just going to go ahead and put the brand in here. Manufacturer name is Chemo and the model number is and then there's the color. So I'm going to set it to blue. And then all we have to do is click on save changes, right? But we have to go next first. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go next and then hit save changes. And now what it's going to do is it's going to send the product over to Walmart. So one thing about Walmart is that they are probably one of the most quirkiest platforms out there when it comes to software, right? So they do have things like API support, but a lot of their things are kind of like quirky, right? So it's not instantaneous, whereas on eBay or Facebook shops, as soon as you post, your product is kind of visible, right? It's immediate. But on Walmart, that's not the case. It could sometimes take 10 to 15 minutes for even a single change to go through. Here's our Walmart Seller Central. And to see if your changes are going through, you have to go in the activity feed. So the activity feed kind of shows you kind of what's happening, right? So right now, it shows me right here that at this time, we have a status of 2 different feeds that are pending. And one of them is like an inventory feed that's pending, and it seems to just have started. So you can kind of refresh these things, and it says processed. So now maybe this thing has listed. So now finally I can see that there's a hyperlink on over my walmart.com via API. So if I hit that, it should lead me to a toaster. Okay, so there we go. This is our toaster that we just listed on walmart.com, and it's from eBay, right? So on eBay it's $25, but on Walmart it's $34.99, exactly how we wanted it, with shipping and with 3 left. You could go ahead and purchase this thing. But anyways, let's see how it looks in the Walmart Seller Central, right? So let's go into items. And if we scroll all the way down, and unfortunately, Walmart doesn't really have a way to sort by last upload, but there we go. Here is our toaster. You can view it, you can make changes, but we suggest just keep your changes on Fbmfox. So let's say I want to adjust the quantity of this thing. I can make it maybe 10, and I could change the price to $49.99, let's just say. And if I hit save changes, what it's going to do is it's going to upload those changes again to my toaster here on Walmart. And like I said, sometimes it takes a while, but it's happening pretty quickly right now. So my change just went through, and now it's $49. All changes that are made on Fbmfox are also reflecting right on the Walmart Seller Central, and this is amazing, right? So if you haven't started using Fbmfox, please go ahead and do so. We have a 7-day free trial, and we can list to Walmart, eBay, Shopify, Facebook shops all at once using one subscription, and you can cancel anytime, right? So I'm not really sure what you guys are waiting for. We've been in this game for a while, and all we've done is kept on improving and listening to the feedback of our users and getting better and better. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for that free trial. Link in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.